Today we are going to talk about our science lesson for Junior 6, Unit 3, The Universe, Lesson number 1, The Solar Eclipse. First, we have to understand the meaning of shadow and what do we need to form shadow. Shadow is the dark area or shape which is formed when light blocked or hidden by something. To form shadow, we need first a source of light as torch. Second, opaque object. It is the object that doesn't allow the pass of light through it as ball or doll. Third, surface or screen where the shadow is formed or received as wall of room or piece of paper. You can try it at home by getting a torch as a source of light, doll or pole which represents the opaque object, and the wall of the room represents the screen where the shadow is formed. Put the doll in the middle or in between the light source and the wall in a straight line. Dark the room and turn on the torch. You will see the image or picture of the doll on the wall. This image is known as shadow. So, shadows formed when a dark, opaque object gets in the way of light or placed across the path of light, and it blocks a part of this light, forming a shadow of this object. The scientific reason for the formation of shadow is that light moves or travels in a straight line. There are other examples of shadow. When you are walking in the morning, you can find your shadows formed on the ground, in which your body represents the opaque object, the sunlight represents the source of light, and the ground represents the screen where your shadow is formed or received. Other examples for the formation of shadow: the shadow of a tree in a sunny morning. When the tree gets in the way of the sun, this means that the tree is in between the sunlight and the screen or the surface, which is represented by the ground. The same action of formation of shadow is happened in the solar system when the moon comes or moves in between the sun and the earth, where the moon moves in front of the sun and hides the sunlight. This action or phenomena is called solar eclipse.